Hey, so I've never actually tried to do one of these, but I'm going to try to unbox that. It is a medium-sized stainless steel birdcage, which I'm really excited to finally have. I've been dreaming about getting a bird for years and done research for years, and so now I'm finally in the process and going to have a bird really soon. It's going to be a turquoise green cheek conure that I will probably name Echo. We'll see. But yeah, that will be his house. And it weighs over 50 pounds, which a nice little label on the package told me, and told me to lift it with another person, and I didn't. So don't follow my example, except no one was home, and I live with roommates who don't know me, so that happened. But yeah, I don't even know where to start. It's huge. I tried to pick it up by the little strap thingies, and it like immediately snapped. So it'll be an adventure trying to move it. Also trying to record it, since I don't have a real camera and I'm using my iPad, and it's delicately balanced against a wall, so it might fall over. Probably will fall over. So yeah, reasons I picked stainless steel is because it's the best. It is a lot more expensive, but I figure, like, most people pick wrought iron that's powder coated, but a lot of reviews said that rusts after a few years, and I don't know what a few years means, but I plan to have my bird for like 30 years because that's its lifespan. So if I have to buy a cage like 2 more times in those amount of years, or like 1 more time, it'll equal the amount that I'm spending on this stainless steel, and stainless is easier to clean and it won't rust. So I also have anxiety, so that is probably part of it. But it's huge. I wonder, it's probably someone's job to like Tetris this into the box, which is cool. Now here's the thing, which way is down, so I don't have to do this twice. I'm thinking this way is down, so, whoa, over 50 pounds. So the goal is for it to stand upright, so it won't take up my whole room. I really hope I put this down the right way. Is there like an up? I don't see an up. But the wording here, oh, you can't see it. The wording goes up. So that is my clue. That is my one clue. Maybe. Okay, when I was trying to pull it around, I just lifted these and it broke, so I should use scissors. Thankfully. Well, I have scissors here, but they're my nice fancy scissors that I don't want to just use on plastic, because they are for cloth. So, ooh. One of the many uses of nail clippers. Ew. I was just thinking, but never mind. It's like if your nail was this thick. Ugh. There was a better way to do this. That wasn't gross and humane to this box. But I didn't pick that one. looks like my iPad is curving over, and so I'm hoping that the rubber will keep it standing up against the wall. We'll see. Does say it's from China, which is fine. Just gotten some mediocre products from China. But this is stainless steel, so should be good, right? I wish they had a like this way is up thing. I'm starting my trash pile. It's gonna be big. Indoor plumbing. It's going to be big. Like, you know those puzzles that open up really funny and you, like, there's nothing you can do and you still have to ruin the box? I mean, you can ruin it less badly. But I feel like that. Like, I'm not going to send this back. But if I was, it wouldn't be in this box. Or maybe it will. I haven't ruined the box yet. Oh no, guys. This side, the words are going the other way. Hey, this side is up. Oh, this side also has staples. Wow. That's heavy duty. Okay, I'm not going to cut through those. Also, I do think it might open the other way, which is so sad. Do I need to open this side? It's like one of those wheels that has like going all in the same direction. So like instead of being a puzzle box, this other side is this side. Okay. Look at these. Funny looking. Okay. Oh hey. There are staples on this side too. And writing that is not legible. Wow. This is like the perfect kind of box that you use for sledding. Opening. This is not the way I expected it to open. Okay. So I guess I lift it out. The other side is definitely open now. Oh, forgot that my thing is running low on battery. And to put this here, I'm going to need to knock down some stuff. So that's exciting. Let's see. Well, maybe I still can. Nope. Okay. sorry. Do you think it'll turn with me? It won't.